technology and functionality aside, that's obviously extremely important. But also, we need to be able to work in the everyday situation. We need to make sure that we can handle harsh conditions and easy maintenance. And Gripen is built for maintenance by conscript mechanics. It is built for our Nordic tough climate. And we do a full turnaround in less than 10 minutes. And that's with refueling and rearming for an air-to-air mission as one example. We change the engine within less than 1 hour from hot engine to airborne once again. And that is really crucial for operational capability to be able to produce flight hours and not be standing in the pit stop, so to speak, if we compare to Formula 1, but really quickly get airborne once again. That is how you will get, not only if you look at the HX program, 64 aircraft, but that you can use them for a lot of flight hours in such type of moments when you need to